Para sa ilang kongresista, mabuting ehemplo si Pope Francis. Kaya't nararapat lang na tularan siya ng mga pampublikong opisyal, maging ng mga kandidato sa eleksyon. Kaugnay niyan, isang House resolution na ang inihain sa Kamara bilang pakikisimpatya sa pagpanaw ng Santo Papa. Ang detalye sa Balitang Pambansa ni Mela Lesmoras ng PTV Manila.
Ehemplo ng kabutihan, pagmamahal at kababaang loob. Ganyan kung ilarawan ng ilang kongresista si Pope Francis. Ayon kay House Assistant Majority Leader Jude Asidre na tubong Leyte, pinaka hindi niya malilimutan ang naging pagbisita ng Santo Papa sa Tacloban City noong taong 2015. Buong puso raw na nakiramay si Pope Francis sa mga biktima ng Super Typhoon Yolanda, kaya't nakatatak na ang kanyang alaala sa puso ng bawat isa.
He was there when our region was recovering from Typhoon Yolanda, when we were at our lowest. He was there to really assure us that we were not alone and that he's there for us. Sabi nga niya, a little bit too late, but he's there. I'm here. Alala ko pa yung sermon niya nung misa niya sa tarmac ng Tacloban. And all these images, all these memories keep coming back to me since we've learned of his passing. So while we mourn, while we are sad by his passing, no, at the same time we are also grateful, and we want to express that gratitude to him for being not just a pope but really a father to many of us Filipinos, especially in Eastern Visayas.
Hindi man Katoliko, nakiisa rin sa pagluksa ng mga Pilipino si House Assistant Majority Leader Zia Alonto Adjong na isang Muslim lawmaker. Hinahangaan daw niya ang Santo Papa at ang magaling na pamumuno nito.
He's one of the leading voices in pushing for, number one is human rights. He's very active. Before his becoming a pope, he was really active in interfaith dialogue, and Islam is one of those religions that really pushes for that understanding and tolerance among the three major Abrahamic faiths.
Si Agri Party List Representative Wilbert Lee naghain na ng House Resolution No. 2265 para formal na maipaabot ang pakikisimpatya at pakikiluksa ng mga kongresista sa nangyari. Ayon kay House Speaker Martin Romualdez, para sa kanila, hindi lang isang Santo Papa si Pope Francis, kundi isa ring guiding light sa panahon ng kadiliman. Bagamat lumisan na si Pope Francis, mananatili anya sa puso ng bawat isa ang kanyang kabutihan at pagmamahal. Mula sa PTV, Mela Lesmoras para sa Balitang Pambansa.